Yo guys, it's Up Shadow here and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Here we are. This thing has drawn our attention. Look at it. Tiny little, oh, fighter of some sort. Two-man cockpit. Has some guns on it, some interior turrets. Rocket launcher. Can... Very interesting. Also, I really like that the door is like half open. Very fun. Okay. Right, so... First instinct, of course, is to salvage this, but question is, can we, like, make this functional? Mayhaps. Oh, with cobalt that I didn't load off. Oops. Let me just think here. Probably have to, if I want to use it, probably have to break in. Battery seems to be empty, so probably not even power. Okay. So, first and foremost, I'm gonna make a GPS mark here. And I'll have to be able to find it again and make it yellow. Got the shipwreck. Call it. It's gonna be a temporary one, so I don't really make it any more specific. I wanted to make it yellow. It's more like greenish, but that's fine. As you can see, it's really close to our base. So we're gonna toss the cobalt out real quick. Then we'll see if we can break into that thing. I'm not sure we can really salvage it, you know, to be a functional ship. But we'll have to see. It really depends on what systems are still online and which ones are not. We'll probably have to grind down a few of the things and then weld them up again so we can gain control. What I don't know is if the pirate faction is actually gonna, you know, get angry at me if I do so. That's the question. But we'll figure that out quite quickly, I suppose. I'm also gonna, real quick, just in case, I'm just gonna top off my my levels, if you know what I mean. That goes in here. Cobalt a go-go. And then we're gonna go back and see. It would be cool if we could repurpose this to be like a ship for us, because that would really shortcut a lot of proceedings that or a lot of progress that we would have to make in the coming episodes. Because essentially we could just slap a ore detector. That's too far. There we go. Cryo facilities. We could slap an ore detector on it and just, you know, have it as our exploration ship. Because then we wouldn't have to go back and forward all the time. But just from a, like, first look at it, I think it's using hydrogen thrusters. But maybe I'm wrong. I could have sworn it was hydrogen thrusters. So I'm not sure we can easily repair that. Or make it work, let's put it that way. If there's a hydrogen... Well, not a hydrogen, but a generator on board. A oxygen/hydrogen generator. Then we could just take some ice with us. And, you know, make this thing powered again, so to speak. But then there's also the issue of the empty battery. So we could probably fix that by just slapping a solar panel on it, you know. Bit awkward right now. It's kind of difficult to save. But I also love that there are timer blocks on this thing that turn off and on the antenna. That's why it's blinking like that. You can see it at the back of the ship, actually. There's two timer blocks. It's interesting that it's two. Well, no, obviously it's two. One turns it on and one turns it off, I think. Then I think there's also a beacon, a short-range beacon that is permanently broadcasting. Okay, I'll get rid of these floating parts because we cannot use these anyway, right? They are hopelessly lost. The yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, these are hydrogen thrusters. There's one missing at least. Hydrogen tank is damaged. Lost connection as well to the rest. I think this one, these two thrusters are still connected to a hydrogen tank that still has some power. So we have backwards thrust. That's okay. Sidewards thrust, difficult to say. We might have sidewards thrusters. At least this one. The other side, fortunately none of these thrusters are really working, so we might have to fix at least one of those. There's a generator. Ooh, okay, so we could fix this generator up, put some hydrogen in it, and then potentially we could just fly this back to base. Right? Let's get in it real quick. So we'll have to force the doors. Ah, yeah, okay, it actually drops reputation for space pirates to do so. Well, you know. Oh, there's a lower deck. Oh, there's even a hydrogen engine in it. Oh, woo! Okay. Interesting. Okay, so actually putting ice into this bad boy should probably fix up a lot of problems. Cannot really tell what's in there. This is the cockpit. We'll have to force all of these open. So this is the cockpit. Right. Oh, they're heavy armor blocks. I'm just welding them into shape again so we can at least, whoa, walk around. Cannot really use these. Damaged, yeah. Can probably take some of this here and put it into the flight seat. Access denied. Okay, there we go. Ooh, yeah. The problem really is I have to grind down pretty much everything here anyways. Oh, the front was damaged. Even. Okay. And there is a button panel, which I'm not sure what it does, unfortunately. This is the back entrance. What's this here? Okay. Not sure what this is. So there's there's our timer block. It's almost like engineering here. Ooh, look, there's a survival kit. So we could disassemble this and make our own survival kit, but I'm gonna hack it real quick. Go. That's neat. I would place it probably differently so we could at least access the monitor. So we can, you know. You can almost access. There we go. See? That's nice. Okay. There's also a button panel here. Not sure what it does though. There is a sensor here as well, which is I think probably opens the door. If I would have to guess. Okay. So let's think about what do we need minimum to get this going. We need essentially access to this tank, which we should have just gained, right? And now I think that's fine. So we at least need one of these engines on the side. So that's a backwards engine. Do we have a forward engine that's still... This forward engine might still be connected for... Yeah, that still is connected, but that is missing some metal grids. So we'll add that to the build planner. Then on the sideways engine side, if we assume that these things here are still connected, then we just need one of these to work. We also need this one to work. We need to hack it, by the way, but that's another problem entirely. Then this sidewards thruster we have to hack. Then we have, let's see, ooh, there's a connector here. The downward thruster, so this one should work. This one should be hooked up. So that one should work. Do we have any up there's thruster? Not on this side, but on this side we do have one, which seems to be hooked up correctly. So we'll hack that. Oh, we don't actually have to hack these, I don't. Okay. So I think if we fix this generator and bring some ice with us, might be able to do things. Where's the gyroscope? That might be a thing that we need to hack. There's a programmable block on here. Sound block here. Oh. I cannot move at all. Let's see, gyroscope. There's 4 gyroscopes on this, so they shouldn't be too hard to find technically. Huge. No. Go down into the room maybe? Where could they be? Also, that one. It's damaged. Ooh! That's the gun. Okay, we have to maybe get rid of the gun. All the turrets. We might have to grind down the turrets. Just to make sure they don't shoot at us accidentally. Know what I mean? Because they're space pirate controlled. I know they're neutral to us, but we don't know for how long. Okay, so they're disabled. Where would these gyroscopes be at? Maybe external, maybe? Ooh, look, there's another hydrogen engine. I didn't even realize that. We're gonna hack this hydrogen engine. And this oxygen tank, we're also gonna hack that. Oh, is that a gyroscope? No, that's a laser antenna. I'm gonna hack that for now. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Oh, I found a gyroscope. One is enough for now. Let's see if we can at least turn this bad boy now. This is very interesting. Oh. Oh, wait. Wait, this is considered a station? That's interesting. Maybe that's the problem. Where to ship? Oh! Okay, I'm not gonna use any thrusters yet because we cannot really... Should I? Is our ship? There. Because technically forward and backwards thrusters... No, wait, forwards thrusters are... Right. We have an artificial gravity on. 0.94, very curious. Okay, I'm gonna head back. Actually, before I head back, just wanna see. Ooh, okay, the generator's fixed. That's fancy. Let me actually get rid of all of this. Let's see how far we can fix up these bad boys here. Not at all, actually. Okay. Then we have one sideways thruster this side that we need to fix up. Okay. Cool. Let's get back. this way. Then we'll see if we can get all these components manufactured and get back with them. Then also we need a little bit of ice. How are we actually standing with these pirate now? Where are they? We're still in a pretty good amount. Okay, that's good. That means we can still, you know, doctor around with that ship without them getting too angry at us. That's nice. Well, we'll see. I think there. How did that work? The space pirates' reputation goes up if we attack other ships. Maybe we'll have to do that again once when we find another ship. It's been a while since we had other ships come by, wasn't it? Okay. Let's see if we have all the materials already. I doubt it. Because we haven't had cobalt until now, so we couldn't probably make the grids anyway, so... Let's see what we... first, we'll put all of that in. Okay. 40 metal grids we... Oh, whoops, I pressed the J button. That was the... 40 metal grids. There we go. Nice and juicy metal grids. Would you look at that? Also, we have a little bit more for solar panel construction. Okay, what else do we need? 8 large tubes. Actually, a lot more metal grids, apparently. Oh, 8 large tubes. Oh, I cannot withdraw anything. Okay. Let's go back and put these metal grids in, and we'll see how much more we'll need. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we should be able to fly this bad boy back. Kinda confident. Probably should be able to do it already, but I find it kinda risky if, you know, we don't have at least a thruster in each direction. I find it a lot more comfortable if we do so. But yeah, first let's fix up the forward thruster. That's going to be the one that's going to take up the most resources, most likely. Because if you know, the good old big block thruster, of course. Well, it's not big block thruster, but it's a large thruster. Which one do we want to fix? This one? I think they're pretty much equivalent, but this one has no connection, I think. This one does have a connection. You can see it right there. So we'll fix up this one. Okay, that's good. Right. That means one hydrogen thruster is done. Now the only one that we need to be fixing up, as far as I'm aware, is the one on the side. Not on this side, but on the other side. This one here. Actually, we can probably break this down a little bit more. You know, just by breaking some of the other thruster. Might be able to actually make this one workable. Oh, we have another downward thruster that we need. Oh shit, okay, I just took from the one that we probably were supposed to fix. I see the problem. Okay. Can we break one of the other thrusters so maybe we can get this working? This one. Huh?
Inventory full.
No? this one working? No? This one? Okay, they're almost working. Take these two into our requests. Head back. I think we should be able to do it now. We'll also get the maybe a little bit of ice with us. Although I don't know if this thing has enough like base energy to kickstart everything. That might be an issue. You know what I mean? Essentially the generator cannot generate hydrogen because there's no energy to draw from. And when it has no energy to draw from, there's like no you know, it cannot fill up the engines which should power it. Actually never made a ship with an engine. I always if I made something with an engine, then it's a car. No, not a spaceship. So that's new territory for me as well. Okay, let's see. Construction component. Let's just hold on. Construction queue. Then we're gonna move these components to here, and then we can withdraw them with our oh, we can withdraw them with our command components. Okay. Now the ice, where was the ice again? Ah, there it is. There it is. Try and get a chunk of ice out of here. Also probably have to go back to the ship real quick to fill up my reserves. Because we're running dry again. Hopefully this soon will be a problem of the past. But at the moment we still are running on a very limited capacity and also on not an easy refill station, which is annoying. I could just leave these open, that would be easier. Righto, oxygen all filled up at least. We might also need to bring back like basic components for a solar panel. That might be, I think that's necessary as well. Also, I'll have to just, paranoid me is gonna double check once we get back to the ship if there's not like a warhead somewhere on the ship. Because I'm pretty sure there are ship designs in this game where it has warheads placed in strategic locations and a thruster, and in certain situations a thruster will then engage and damage the warhead and make it explode. Like a self-destruct system if you try to mess with it. So I'll have to check real quick if there's a warhead on there, but I don't think I saw any warheads, so unlikely, but better safe than sorry on a situation like that. Also, I just realized I have the sound turned. Oh. There you go. Always do that whenever I play normal single player off camera, because I tend to listen to my own music normally, which most of it is probably copyrighted music, so we cannot really do that right now. So, you know, you understand. Right. Here we are. So let's fix these bad boys. Hey? This one. That's fixed up. Then I think it's this one. Yes. All fixed up. Right. Now. The thing is, it must still have some bits of energy, because otherwise it would be completely red. Right? So we still must have some semblance of energy. Yeah, we have very little energy, but we have some hydrogen apparently. Okay, I cannot do anything right now. I cannot control. Okay. Also, I don't see any red. No. Lights. Okay, there's light groups. Interesting. Let's see. Thrusters. Why are all thrusters access denied? Oops. Up, right, left, down. Let me check this real quick. So this one. Why does it say access denied? Ah, look, some of these we do have access. Oh, they're turned off. Let's see. I drew. Okay. Why? That's strange. So obviously, yeah, the second tank is... Why does it say access denied? That is not logical to me. Unless I also have to kind of, you know, grind down these. I wasn't aware that I had to do that, but we can try. Oops. That was a bit too much. Fix it right up. Okay, I'm gonna try something.
Inventory full.
Just gonna try something quick.
Inventory full.
Hydro, then... I think... Are they using normal hydrogen thrusters? I think so, right? Not the industrial one. I think you can see what I'm trying here, right? Ah! So I have to grind them down completely then. Okay. Well, we'll do so. We'll do so. Fine. Not quite sure why, but that's fine. Okay, we have thrust left, we have thrust back. And we need thrust
Inventory
downwards real quick. I'm gonna launch that all into here. Okay. Alright, thrust downwards has not been established yet for some reason. Why not? It's the question. Oh, that's a window. This, okay. So why is thrust downward not established? Try something, because we'll have to do thrust forward as well anyway on this side, so let me just oh shit. Oh yeah, we have localized gravity. I forgot about that. I've totally forgot about that. Right.
Inventory full.
Shit.
Full.
No! Fuck. I can see you still. Get back here. There's something else. There it is. Okay. try this again. Let's hammer this one on. Go. Okay, so this must have lost connection to the rest. I have to uncover a little bit of stuff here. For example, this passage here, that just has to go, right? That just, there's no use for it. Nothing. Also, I'm just gonna probably have to lay down a few things here in the ship, I have the feeling. Okay. So, how are these connected? I think I found the problem. Yeah, that's a major problem, alright. That's a major problem. This hydrogen tank needs to be completed in order for us to have connection. Proper connection. Yeah, I see it now. Okay. So we'll have to put these two into our thing. So we have backwards. We should be able to get this one running, I believe.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
Put that back down.
Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full.
Okay, we got that one running. So the only ones that we don't have now is essentially this cluster here. Upwards, front, and down. That's the ones we don't have at the moment. But we should be able to get them working once we fix this one. And once we fix this connector here. Because that should connect it to the other side, making it run, and then should give us the mobility to get this hunk of junk back. But I can see how this could become our, like, scout ship for now. I don't think we need the cannons. Oh, speaking of the cannons. Just in case. God, that's a lot of cannons. At least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turrets and 1 rocket launcher, I think. Yeah. All right. We'll have to figure out. Well, we don't have to figure out. We'll just have to get that all repaired up, and then we can hopefully get this back, and then we'll probably start like slide restoration on this. Take off the parts we don't need. Try to fill it up with hydrogen, maybe slap some solar panels on it, just so we can, you know, get a little bit of energy other than hydrogen. Or maybe we'll just leave it like that. We'll have to check if it works like that. We'll have to see. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.